With utmost respect and reverence, we, Association of Wuda Plot Owners who purchased from Alities under land pooling scheme, approach your esteemed office, seeking your kind intervention in a matter that has caused us, the bona fide buyers of plots allotted by the Vishakhapatnam Urban Development Authority, WUDA, profound distress and anxiety. As citizens who placed our trust in a government organization, we now find ourselves in an unfortunate situation, and we humbly request your kind assistance and intervention in resolving this issue. From 2004 to 2009, WUDA, now the Vishakhapatnam Metropolitan Region Development Authority, VMRDA, acquired lands from the public in Vishakhapatnam Rural Mandal under the land pooling scheme. The landowners were compensated with about 500 plots in new layouts such as Rushikonda and Madhurwada, etc. These plots were officially registered in their names, granting them full ownership and the right to sell. As ordinary citizens, we purchased these plots with our hard-earned money, relying on the legitimacy of VUDA's processes, which we believed to be thorough and transparent. We acted with full faith in the integrity of the government body and followed all due legal processes. It was only much later, through newspaper reports, that we learned of alleged irregularities involving WUDA officials in the allocation of these plots. Subsequently, WUDA initiated civil suits to annul the registrations, citing alleged misconduct. We, as subsequent bona fide purchasers, had no knowledge of these issues at the time of our purchase. We are completely innocent parties who believed in the integrity of the government's dealings. The sudden turn of events has left us in a state of shock and despair, as we never imagined that our legitimate investments could be jeopardized in this manner. The Vigilance and Enforcement Report and the subsequent legal actions highlight a failure within WUDA to prevent these alleged wrongdoings. Despite this, WUDA has not taken responsibility, prolonging the legal battle. We, the innocent buyers, are now facing the possibility of a prolonged and uncertain legal struggle. The prospect of spending years, if not decades, in litigation is terrifying and unjust, especially considering our complete innocence in the matter. We purchased these plots over a decade ago, trusting the promises of developed plots, only to find ourselves with undeveloped land lacking basic infrastructure. WUDA's actions, including issuing orders that prevent the sale of these plots, have stripped us of our constitutional right to property as guaranteed under Article 300A. This situation has not only prevented us from building homes but also left us in a position where we cannot recover our investment. Many of us are senior citizens who used our life savings or borrowed funds to purchase these plots, intending to build homes for ourselves and our families. Our children, residing abroad, also invested in these plots, hoping for a secure asset. For the past 15 years, we have made numerous appeals to various authorities, seeking a fair and compassionate resolution. However, our efforts have been in vain, and the uncertainty and anxiety continue to weigh heavily on us. We respectfully request your esteemed office to consider our situation with empathy and urgency. We kindly request that an amicable solution be found to relieve us from this prolonged ordeal. We place our trust in you and your compassion to common man, believing that you will understand the plight of innocent citizens who acted in good faith, trusting the government organization. Your kind intervention would not only provide us with much needed relief but also restore our faith in the justice and fairness of our administration. We remain ever grateful for your kind consideration and assistance in this matter. We humbly await your intervention, hoping for a resolution that will free us from this hardship, which we have been enduring through at no fault of us.